everyone. Today I got a squishy package for my birthday and I just decided I'm going to show you what I got. So let's get started. So I got 6 different squishies. I'm going to go down from the smallest to biggest. So I reckon the smallest. So first I got this macaron. I think this is Corilla Kuma. It has just like a blob of cream on it and a cellophane strap. It's really soft, but it's not really squishy. So I'll just take it out of the packaging. And this is licensed by Sanex. Second, I got this chocolate dipped strawberry with sprinkles. I believe this is Cafe Diem, but I'm not entirely sure. And this is really squishy. Let's take it out of the packaging. Some of the sprinkles are kind of falling off. So third, I got this Minion toast. And this is really squishy. And it's surprising because it's so thin. I just take it out of the packaging. It's pretty sticky. This is so squishy. Next, I got this cake. I believe, I'm not really sure what this is called because I've seen so many other people have this, but they've never really known what it's like an eclair, but yeah. Take it out of the packaging. This is quite squishy. I used to have one of these, but then I gave it to my friend. But that one had like strawberry cream in the middle. She actually has a YouTube channel, but now I got another one, so it could be like friend squishies. So, second to last, I got this toast. With this face, I'm not really sure what this face is called. But I think I'm actually going to be trading this one away, I'm not sure. Really squishy. And finally, this is probably my favourite one. I got a Capybara San biscuit. This is the tag. That's really squishy. So I'll just take it out of the packaging for you. And it's it's really textured on the back. So it's super squishy. So yeah, that was the package that I received for my birthday today. And I really like it. It was actually from my brother. And if you would like to see me do more of these videos, please comment down below. And I will be posting my part 2 of my homemade squishy collection in a bit, so you can be expecting that as well. So thanks for watching. Bye!